This is that once in a lifetime.
What is up, people? We are walking to Manhattan, currently on the Williamsburg Bridge. Steep incline ahead. We are now on our descent. We are 3/4 of the way there. Emily has stuff in her eye. Live at the drop. It's about to get dropped. We don't know what it is, but doors are opening now. We had to make a pit stop. So after a few hours, we finally made it to the highline. But the problem is, it's about to rain, so we'll see how far we can get. I think it's like 2 miles long, but we'll see how far we can get until it starts raining. So we've walked all this way, and now it's about to rain. So now we have to find our way to the subway before the storm hits. Now it's about to get really, really wet. So we better head back before we die. The winds are starting to pick up. It's about to pour, so everyone's starting to run. And we're just following random people to see where they go. Hopefully they're going towards the subway. Subway is 1 block away. It's going crazy. Just got home, got drenched. Time to go dry off. So we're back. We're dry now. And there's a cool rainbow outside. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. See you next time.